Hi guys, NCWQ here, and getting on for a few minutes. There were two earthquakes over the weekend. Both of them were on the 6th. First one was a 2.1, and it was 4.8 kilometers deep. The second one was a 1.8, and it was 5.5 kilometers deep. We're going to look at them on Google Earth. The first one being the 2.1. This happened at Buffalo Creek. And this is also an area of Licklog Road, which would be over here, Licklog Branch. And we'll go take a quick look. This is a mostly hilly area and very wooded. If you can see, this is kind of hilly and woody country. The next one was the 1.8. And this happened on the other side of Charlotte going towards me. This is a residential area. And we'll go down on the road for a minute, take a look. Let me see here. The earthquake was occurring back this area, epicenter. Anyway, I'm going to read what was in the news today about this. The news states, if the earth trembles and no one feels it isn't an earthquake, just ask the U.S. Geological Survey. Geologists recorded two earthquakes in the Charlotte region within 80 miles of each other over the weekend. A 2.1 magnitude quake that struck the foothills west of Winston-Salem and a 1.8 magnitude quake just outside Indian Trail. Both were relatively shallow as measured by the USGS and no damages reported. In fact, most people appeared not to notice. The first occurred at a depth of 13.8 kilometers, roughly 8.6 miles below the Earth's surface, just 9 miles southeast of Blowing Rock. It happened shortly after midnight Sunday, around 12:55 a.m. Less than 4 hours later, at roughly 4:30 a.m., the USGS recorded a second earthquake. It was slightly smaller and even closer to the Earth's surface with a depth of 5.5 kilometers or 3.4 miles, according to the geologists. The quake rattled 17 miles southeast of Charlotte near Indian Trail in Union County, just down the road from Porter Ridge Elementary, middle, and high schools. In both cases, only one person reported feeling the earthquake to the USGS. These aren't the first tremors North Carolina has seen in 2019. One area of North Carolina mountains had 6 small earthquakes in 5 days last month, according to the U.S. Geological Survey, as reported by the Charlotte Observer. Only a handful of people there reported feeling most of them. According to the North Carolina Department of Environmental Quality, earthquakes aren't uncommon in the state, but large damaging seismic events are not a regular occurrence. Scientists are still studying why so many small quakes pop up between Tennessee, western North Carolina, and northern Georgia in what's known as the Eastern Tennessee Seismic Zone, the NCDEQ reported. This area is not a seismically active area like California and the West Coast, according to the state agency. In California, there are many active faults where large damaging earthquakes occur frequently. In contrast, there are no active fault zones in North Carolina. One of the strongest quakes to rattle the region reportedly occurred in Buncombe County in 1916 with a magnitude of 5.2. Before that, a 6.7 magnitude earthquake struck Charleston in 1886 and was felt up and down the East Coast, according to the NCDEQ. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd share with y'all. I hope y'all are doing great wherever you are in the world, day or night. Much love.
I thought that this was